Hi friends, I'm showing you this comforter for the king bed today. This is a Weiyu comforter and this available in all these sizes. You can see from twin to king or the California king. And this is actually a feather like natural down and the feather based comforter. And you can see the packing is like a little vacuum packing. So you have to give it some time so that it can take up the air and then come to its original shape. So I'm opening this pack just to show you the fabric and uh, this quality, so they can see what's inside the box and what type of quality you can expect it from this product. The stitching is very nice, the satin stitches all of the corners, and you can see like I put it on the bed, give it some time so that it makes all the original shape. And this is very pretty comfortable and soft touch with the corners here. So it's very soft touch comforter, like very nice, soothing and comfortable comforter. And it's like my child is playing inside it. It's feeling comfortable.